Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee and welcome to this video. This is the card I have to share with you today. Isn't it bright and fun? Now this is a card we made in a recent card club. I host a monthly online card club in my Facebook group and we meet once a month and we make projects just like this together. Now I'm sorry if you can hear the birds outside. I do have the window open because it's fairly warm in this room, so I do apologise for any inconvenience that might cause. But let me show you the card, how I made it. I'm going to start off with my little pocket at the front here, and this is just a piece of evening evergreen cardstock, and we are going to do some scoring. So let me bring in my scoring tool, and we're just going to score at 1/2 inch on 3 sides. So you'll see here. So 1/2 inch, 1/2 inch, 1/2 inch, and this little pocket will fit a tag, but it will also fit a little gift card as well. So let's just fold on our score lines, just like that. And then we just need to take the bulk out of the corner. So if you can see here, I'm just going to cut across the corner through the score line, just like that. Just like that. And then at the ends here, I'm just going to do a little mitre cut. So it should look like that. Okay. So I just looked up the name. The designer series paper is called Rings of Love, and I've cut a piece here to fit in the centre, and all the measurements will be on the blog post on my website. The links to that are in the description box below, so don't worry about that. So now we're just going to put this in the centre there, just like that. So our card base is soft sea foam, and this is another freebie from Celebration. It came in a pack of 10 card bases in soft sea foam and 10 in Pool Party. And these are American sizings, so not the UK sizings, but they come with matching envelopes, so you don't need to worry about that. And I've got a piece here of designer series paper again from Rings of Love, just a mat on top there. Now we're going to put our pocket down. Okay, and I'm going to just use, I think I'm going to use some Tombow. In a pocket. And I just want it to be somewhere along the base, roughly in the centre. Something like that, and just give it a good press down when the bone folder is useful. Just like that. Now I cut a tag from the Tailored Tags die set, and this is largest tag here, and you can write your little message on here. And I've got a little piece of what do you call this, evening evergreen ribbon, and we're just going to attempt to tie a bow very quickly. I promise you it won't turn out the best, but it will have to do. My bows really turn out very well. Totally skew with, but I can try and fix that later. Let's see if we can do anything. I don't think we can do much. It will do, and that's going to then just fit inside our pocket that we've made. If I can find my pocket, that is. There we go, just like that. And then I've got here from the Floral Galleries dies. I cut at the sentiment, and it says, just want to say, and I've just cut it down to just to say. Okay, to fit on my piece. And then I'm going to put a little bit of glue on the back here. I'm just going to fit this over the top of my little window, my little pocket rather. This one here. So this was a card we made recently in Card Club. I host a monthly online card club in my Facebook group online, and we get together once a month to craft together and have lots of fun. So if you're in the UK, do check that out. I'd love for you to join us. All the details are in the description box below. You'll see the link to my Facebook group, and you also see the link to my website where it explains everything. Okay, so there is the card made. I hope you like it. If you did, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know, and please don't forget to subscribe to future videos. As I said, all the information about the project is on the blog post on my website, and in my social media links are in the description box below. So thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye.